back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about two more pattern programs. So today pattern is this is our pattern today. So we just want to write the logic for this pattern. So stars, right? So this is how we have to print, and obviously there are 5 rows. So first, the outer for loop is for representing the row. So for I in a range of 1 to 6, simply it gives the 5 rows. That means I value will be ranging from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For example, consider this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So you can see in the first row how many spaces should be given. So starting from here, right? Starting from here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, first line 4 spaces should be there, and at the 5th position we have to give the start. So start from 5 for j in range. J in range, start with the 5 to I means if I is equal to 1, so 5 to 1, that means range of 5 comma 1 and give the negative updation -1. So 5, 4, 3, 2. It will iterate 4 times. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Then we have to print at the 5th position, we have to print the star. So for that purpose, just write the print spaces. Just give the space, because we have to print the spaces for all the iterations, right? Next, after that, we have to print the star. So again, write the for loop for k in range of. So how many stars we have to print? Only 1. So first row 1 star. That's why just go with 1 to I plus 1. If I is equal to 1, then range of 1 2, that means only 1 iteration. If I is equal to 2, the range of 1 comma 3, that means 1 comma 2, 2 iterations will be there. So here we need to print star, and as usual use the end parameter in order to print the next output in the same line. And after completion of one iteration, outer iteration, just use the MP print so that the next iteration will be printing in the new line. So in the next iteration, whenever I becomes 2, j becomes 5 comma 2 comma -1. So the j value will be iterating from 5, 4, 3. Because 2 is the stop index, we should not include that. So 5, 4, 3. 3 spaces will be given here in the second line, and then k in range 1 comma I plus 2, that means 2, that is 3. So it will give 1, 2 iterations. Star will be printed in 2 iterations, right? So like that we'll get the required pattern, right? Next, the next pattern is the reverse one. So give the star, so reverse pattern. So if you want to print the same thing, the same logic will be used. So here we are printing 5 in the first row, 4 in the second row, 3 in the third row, 2 in the fourth row, 1 in the first row. So simply change the positive updation to negative updation. So use for I in range of 5 comma 0 -1. So I becomes 5 in the first iteration, 4 in the second iteration, 3 in the third iteration, right? And 2 in the fourth iteration, 1 in the fifth iteration. So it will stop at 1. So whenever I becomes 5, so see, j is equal to 5. So 5 -1, that is 0 times. 5 -1. Okay, the range of 5 -1. So automatically it ends the the end index is 5, so it will not iterate even one time, right? So 0 times it will be iterating. So 0 times the star will be printed, and k in range 1 to 6. K in range 1 to 6, that means it will iterate 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 iterations it will be iterating. So 5 iterations star will be printed. So in the first line 5 stars will be printed. In the next line, so 5 comma 4 minus 1, 5 comma 4 minus 1. So only one time it will be iterated, only one time. That means one space will be given, and then k will be iterated with 1 comma 5. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, 4 iterations. So 4 times a star will be printed. So in order to get this pattern, just instead of giving the positive updation, give the negative updation, 5 comma 0 comma minus 1. That's all. So automatically we'll get this reverse pattern, right? So just observe how many spaces are there. So that many spaces, first print the spaces and then print the pattern, right? So hope you understood this one. I will execute the same code in the system and I will show you the execution part. So let's move on to the system.
Hello friends, so just now we have seen the logic for the following patterns. So this is a one pattern we have seen just now, and this is a second pattern we have seen the logic. Now we'll execute the program to print these following patterns. So the first one is a rows. In order to print the rows, the for loop for I in range of give the values. So give the rows. So let us take some 5 rows. So I will go with the 1 to 6, so that I value will be ranging from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 lines. And then first we need to print the spaces. So if you are going this one, so you have to print the spaces. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and first we need to print some 4 spaces, and the 5th place we have to go with the star. So that's why print the spaces for j in a range of, so go with the spaces 5 comma I minus 1, and print the spaces here. Print just an empty space and give in the same column, and after that we have to print the star according to the row number. So you can observe here the first row only 1 star, second row 2 stars, third row 3 stars. Now just print here for k in range of 1 to I, 1 to I, print, give the star value, star, and print this star in the same line, and after that just use a normal print in order to print in a new lines after every iteration the new line. Okay, so you can see here. So yeah, here give the y plus 1 so that we'll get the stars. So this is a simple pattern, one type of pattern. And hope you understood this one. First loop, outer loop is for rows, and the inner loop first we need to represent the spaces, and the third loop is to print the value, right? So if it is a first line, 4 spaces will be there. So because 5 comma 1, when I is equal to 1, 5 comma 1, so that means 5, 4, 3, 2, 4 spaces will be there, and afterwards so star will be printed, because 1 to 2, that means 1 will be printed. So similarly it will iterate for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so total 5 lines. And if you want to print the reverse order, the same thing in a reverse order, so instead of giving the positive range, give the negative, right? So negative updation. So for I in range of, so go with the 5 to 0 minus 1, 5 to 0 minus 1, and all the remaining is same. First we need to print the spaces. So for j in range of 5 to I minus 1, print and is equal to this one, and next to print the star, right? For k in a range of 1 to I plus 1, I plus 1 and go with the star. Print the star. Print star value and is equal to, and then give the empty print for next line, printing in the next line. So simple. So if it is a decrementing, go with the negative updation. If it is a positive, then go with the this one, positive updation. That's the only thing you need to remember, right? So simple thing. So there is a not much difference in these two logics. Just this is for incrementing updation, okay, positive updation, and this is a negative updation. That's it. So whenever I becomes 5, so j in range of 5 to 5, okay, j in range of 5 to 5, so minus 1, so directly 5 times it will be printed here, right? Okay, so hope you understood this one. So if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.